So friends, based on the BODMAS rule, as you can see, brackets order of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here is the step-by-step solution to the problem as you can see here. Now we'll just break it down by the step-by-step solution. So now resolve the of and exponents. The term of indicates a higher priority multiplication and 10 square is an exponent order. So 1/3 of 22, it means 1/3 multiplied by 22, and after you will get 22 by 3. Now 10 square, that means 10 into 10 and it will become 100. So the expression now looks like is 1665 divided by 37 multiply 22 by 3 plus 100. Now the second division. Next perform the division from left to right. So 1665 after dividing by 37 you will get 45. Now the expression looks like is 45 multiplied by 22 upon 3 and plus 100. Now the third step says multiplication. Now multiply the remaining factors. So 45 multiply 22 by 3. So 45 divided by 3 multiply by 22. So it will, after dividing, you will get 15 multiplied by 22 and you will get 330. You can use Vedic math trick also. 15 multiplied by 22. 2 5s are 10, 1 will be carry over, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13, 1 again will be carry over, 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3. So 330 is the right answer. Now the expression becomes 330 plus 100. Now fourth and last step is addition. Finally add the results and after adding of it you will get 430. The final result of the expression is 430. Now comparing this to the given options, the answer is D, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.